My vacation has ended and now it's time to get back home. We have a really late flight though. We're still going to enjoy the last few hours of Florida. So what I'm doing for my shops, here, let me switch. What I'm doing for my shops is my vacation mode is off for my eBay and Poshmark and Etsy. Well, eBay was never truly, I put it that people could buy stuff, but that it gave them a message that I was on vacation. And what I'm doing now with my eBay is sending out my offers, because I let my offers stack up while I'm on vacation, and I started to send out offers. I'm going to do that throughout the day here. I did a couple this morning, and then I'm going to do a couple more later on. I don't like to send out all my offers at once. I kind of just stagger it throughout the day, because the other thing I'm reminded of is that, you know, I don't have a real job, right? A job, but other people do. And they're not looking at, you know, eBay offers at 9:30 in the morning. But they might look at them at noontime. So I put a couple out today at 9:30. I'm going to wait and do a couple more at, like, say 11 or something like that. And then I'm going to do some later in the afternoon when people are starting to come home from work, and then they're going to start looking at their phones, and hopefully that'll generate some sales. So that's the plan around that. I'm also ending a few of my listings on eBay, and I am doing the sell similar, and kind of generating like, hey, it looks like I'm posting new items, where I'm actually not not yet. But as soon as I get back to Michigan, I will post a few more items up, and, you know, start stimulating that algorithm that, yes, I'm posting new items up there. It just feels good to take a break and decompress. I think we should all do that. I get caught up in doing this reselling sometimes 7 days a week, all day long. I'm having my coffee, I'm checking, you know, my platforms, you know, I'm doing something during the day, in the evening, in the late evening. Like, I think as resellers, we don't always set up, like, good boundaries, you know, for what we do. And I am part-time reseller, and my husband's like, well, you kind of do this like 7 days a week. I'm like, yeah, but I only do it for a couple hours a day or whatever. And I do think about that. I'm like, I should take a full day off, like on like 1 day a week, or cut it off at a certain time. Like, hey, I'm not going to do it after a certain time of the day. But it's kind of hard, you know, the kids are grown. I don't have, you know, young kids, and I just have my husband and I, and sometimes we have a puppy dog. So you get caught up in, like, let me check it, let me do something. You almost feel guilty about, you know, taking time off. But boy, it certainly felt good to take this vacation. Anyways, this is just going to be a really short reseller vlog. I just wanted to put that out there that, yeah, like, even on vacation, I kind of waited to the very end here. We're down to the last couple hours, but I was not doing anything with my shops while I was on vacation. Just today, our last day, I'm like, okay, now it's time to, you know, get back into the rhythm of it, and get things going again. I'm probably going to do some Posh parties today, you know, in my Poshmark. I'm going to share some, you know, items out from my closet, from other people's closets, just to get that going again. And then Etsy, I guess I could, I'm not sure, maybe I'll post a couple things from Etsy to my Instagram or something like that, just to, you know, drum up some more interest. And so that's what I do when I'm on vacation. I hope everybody has a good day, and I will see you guys later. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Just a little bit of bonus footage. My travel adventures will all be on my second channel, Starts with Coffee Adventures. Thanks for watching.